Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Truths. In front of me right here is the Xbox Elite Series 2 controller that I received for my birthday. Let's jump right into the unboxing for it. So it looks like on top we've got the Xbox and Elite Series 2 branding. On the back side here it shows you everything that comes in the box, which includes your Elite Series 2 controller. Very excited to take a look at that one. The carrying case, as well as an extra D-pad, some back pads, and some control sticks of different sizes and shapes, as well as a tool to adjust everything. Looking at it, we have a couple of branding terms, as well as the Microsoft branding here on the bottom. Looking at the side, we have, again, telling you the devices this works with, as well as a couple more specifics as to what's included into the box. We've got some regulatory stuff here on the bottom. Nothing to talk more about there. So let's just right straight into unboxing this. So we've got two tabs. We've got one here on the bottom. Should be easy enough to open. There we go. And we've got a similar one here on the top. Sorry, I'm one-handed here. I've got camera on my other hand, so I'm just gonna have to open this one-handed. There we go. And let's jump into the box now. Alright, looking into the box, we've got a very nice carrying case for our Elite Series 2 controller. And it seems to have this kind of heft to it, which I haven't had with my regular Xbox controller, so I'm excited to see what's in. On the back side here, we have a nice USB-C port so that you can charge your Xbox Elite Series 2 controller inside the case itself. Very exciting. Looking more into the box, we do see a nice USB-C to USB-A braided cable. We'll look more into this later, as well as some regular paperwork. Alright, looking more into this case. Let's snap right into. Perfect. Alright, we've got amazing looking Elite Series 2 controller here. Very premium feel. It's got a nice heft to it. Looking around, it has premium materials all along. If you feel, you've got metal back pads, very nice plastics all throughout. The rubber on the sticks is very nice, and overall it's got a very, very good feel to it. On the back side of it, you can see that Elite Series 2 branding, as well as the adjustments for your triggers, which I'll have to definitely try out and review. Looking into rest of the case here, we've got our charging dock. We've got a couple of D-pads here, very nice, and as well as the tool for adjusting those back pads. We also have this extra D-pad that you can just kind of pop out. It's a magnetic on the controller, so it should be easy enough to put. I believe the D-pads do involve a little bit of process to get them out and installed. Let's look at the charging dock here. It's covered in this felt-based covering, and we've got a pocket on the top for your USB-C cable. Let's look into how this cable looks. Pop that one out. It's got a very nice pattern to it, and then an Xbox logo right at the port there. USB-A to USB-C cable again, as we said. So it'll help us charge our dock and inversely charge our controller for it. That to the side, and yeah, that should be it for our very quick unboxing of the Elite Series 2 controller. Hope you guys enjoyed it.